Okay, so a very important lesson today. We started by looking at irregular verbs and trying to learn as many of them as we could. And all the ones with the tick are the ones we did some work with today. So that was a good start. So then I asked you to speak sentences, to say sentences in the past, and you did really, really well. Then I asked you to write some sentences in the past. Now let's go through this board slowly. So here are the irregular verbs we did. Then we started writing sentences. Actually, let's go over here. So we wrote these 6 sentences using different time expressions. Yesterday or last week, mainly yesterday. Here they are. Yesterday I went to Chorley Wood. Now after this we learned the negative. This is really important. Yesterday I didn't go to Chorley Wood. So when we speak in the past, in the positive, using all verbs, we must then, for the negative, use the word didn't in the past, and then the main verb is always present simple first person. Always the first person. This is very important. So here are the ones we did. Yesterday I bought Coca-Cola. Yesterday I didn't buy Coca-Cola. Last week I swam in the sea. Last week I didn't swim in the sea. Last week I went swimming. Last week I didn't go swimming. Yesterday I took a photo. I didn't take a photo yesterday. Yesterday I found information. Yesterday I didn't find information. So it's really important to use this in the past. And remember, this is for all verbs, but not the verb to be. That's different. We've done that. Here are some time expressions we learned. In fact, this is all your work. We used yesterday, a moment ago. I really like that. Last year, last month, last week, 5 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, 5 days ago, 3 weeks ago, 4 months ago, 5 years ago, and you even said 3 decades ago, 30 years ago. So these are all time expressions, and they work at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence, both good. And then we went on to questions. So firstly, we found some question words. This is all your work. And then we started putting together questions. So here's just the positive sentence. Yesterday I went to Chorley Wood, or negative, yesterday I didn't go to Chorley Wood. But we took this question, yesterday I went to Chorley Wood, and then we asked a question. How long did the journey take? Well, it took 30 minutes in my car. How much did you spend in Chorley Wood? I spent £10 in Chorley Wood. What did you make in Chorley Wood? I made my dinner in Chorley Wood. As you can see, we use these. We use a format. We start with a question word or words, and then we have this little verb called the auxiliary verb. And it's the auxiliary verb do. In the present we say do or does. In the past we use did. How long did, and then we use the subject, and then we use the main verb. And that's the same for all of them. Question words, auxiliary verb do in the past, the subject, and then the main verb. Question word, auxiliary verb, subject, and the main verb. And then remembering that the answer is I spent £10 in Chorley Wood, or the negative, I didn't spend. So as soon as you use this auxiliary verb, the main verb is always present simple first person. So that is a lot of work for 1.5 hours. Well done.